So tonight I am reviewing my Conair Jetspa. What is the model number? I know I have it around here somewhere. It is model BTS1D. And the reason I am re-reviewing it is because I have a better color bath water this time. And the original one, although it got a lot of views, I also got a lot of complaints. Why is your water so dirty? Because they don't understand the bath bomb world, and that I had just used a Goth bath bomb. So here is the model here, and there's some bath bomb left in there. So my bubbles have worn down because I was doing a bath bomb demo. So this was full of Lush Lush bubble bar. And now let's see if it builds the bubbles back up. So as you see, you can actually move the jets around, and it revitalizes the bubbles. Not that that is what this is used for. For me, I use it for my back. I can actually position it where it can actually reach my back. But I also use it to revitalize dead bubbles in my tub. As you can see, it is building up tons of bubbles. And the bath water is not dirty, guys. This is actually a yellow-green color from a bath bomb, as I mentioned before. So, again, this is the Conair Jetspa model BTS 1D. Sorry, I had to go check it out again. BTS 1D. And I bought this on Amazon. Look at all the bubbles. I bought this on Amazon for, I think it was $60 at the time. But it is an awesome spa. It actually has a lot of pressure that hits your back where you need it or wherever you need it. And I really love my Jetspa. I use it frequently. So now those of you that were upset by the color of my bath water on a previous review of this now can see it with a prettier bath water color. Alright guys, that's it for, look at this, look at all the bubbles. That's it for the Conair Jetspa. Good pressure, good flow. There are several controls on here. I can put it over here on this one where it has more airflow, and this one is just more pressure. I like to put it over here because there's a lot of bubbles and it's controlled again by the airflow. And then there's also just the jet. Oh my gosh, my bathtub is getting too full. Alright, that's it for the Conair Jetspa, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.